One of the GitHub features that goes hand in hand with tags is release management. We can create a release to package our software along with source code, binary files, and release notes. Let me show you. So here on the homepage of our repository, we go to tags. Then we go to the releases tab. Currently, we don't have any releases. So let's create a new release. Now over here, we can find an existing tag or create a new tag. Currently, we don't have any tags. So I'm going to type v1.0. When I create this release, GitHub will automatically add this tag to the latest commit. Next to that, we have our target branch, which is master. Here we give our release a title. We can use the same value, version 1.0. Now in this box, we can type our release notes. For example, we can type a # to add a title and say release notes. Then using hyphens, we can add bullet points. For example, we can say fixed bug 1, fixed bug 2, added the form, Now we can preview our changes. So here are our release notes. Beautiful. Now, over here, we can attach binary files. So we can include the compiled version of our application. Now, if this release is not production ready, if it's not stable, we can tick this box. This is a pre-release. And finally, we click on publish release. All right, here's our first release. We can see our release notes along with these assets that GitHub automatically generated for us. Now, if we included binary files, like the compiled version of our application, those binary files would also be listed here, okay? Now, over here, you can see this release is based on this tag, v1.0, which is added to the last commit in our repository. Here we also have a label saying this is the latest release of this repository. Now, if you made a mistake, you can always delete this release. So to the right side of this page, which is not currently in my recording window, we have two buttons, edit release and delete. Now, back to the home page of our repository. Here on the right side, you can see all the releases. So this is all about release management in GitHub. Just remember, this is not a Git feature, it's a GitHub feature. It's a high-level feature built on top of tags.